Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get free access to Sora 2. So for the code, you'll need to go and join the Discord server called openai. And under the channels, there should be like a code section. I just joined, so it's going to take me hours for the channel to actually load. But you're just going to want to quickly get the code from that channel. There's again going to be a codes channel in this server. Then you're going to go to sora.chatgpt first. Then you're going to select join new Sora, enter invite code, and you're going to enter the code. Again, if you don't have the invitation code, you're going to have to stay on the old Sora. But you're just going to join the Discord and hopefully you can grab the code fast. You'll need to do it quickly because I'm sure a lot of people are trying to get the code as well as you. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!